Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So, alright, this is one thing that this channel will always do. It only became successful, or even what I think is successful, the wonderful subscribers that we have and the feedback that we get from you. So thanks for joining us, thanks for being here. We're diving back into our SQLite and we are learning how to tab between text inputs. So alright. A little bit of administrative work here. So I did two things. Getting some feedback that the font, well, especially for the working in PyCharm with our Kivy series, not very readable. So I did two things. One, thank you for the feedback. And then two, here are the two things. Increase the font size and zoomed in some more. So please let me know if this is working or not working, or if we need to do anything else. So I want to make sure that we also don't miss anything at the bottom. So, alright. So here we are. This is where we left off, and then we're going to run into a problem right when we run this. So let's go ahead and pull this up. So command. Alright. So in our last series, shoot, here we go. Alright, Python, my app. We ran into it and we solved it. And this is what we're going to do here. And it helps if you spell Python right. Python, my app, not py. Here we go. Alright, let's read this error. Table ID already exists. Oh yeah, I got to do this. So we're going to bring this up here, try, indent, accept, pass. I know this is vague, but we're not going to, we know what we're doing, we know what the problem is, save, run. Okay, so where we left off last time was we had this and we had our tab, and we can't tab to our next. We want to tab down to our next input. So let's solve that. It is literally this awesome and simple. And it is, so we're going to go to our, let's make sure we can see them. Here we go. Here's our first text input for our user. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's this simple, right? Tab false. And we come down here to our next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, right underscore tab. It's a boolean. False. Save. Bring this up just a hair. Boom. Me. Tab. Bam. I'm back. So there we go. So that went in. So now what we're going to do is we need to, well, one, I think I need to resize this just a touch so we can see all of this. We'll keep working on this. So the next time we need to then have this go and check the database and then verify that it's us and then switch screens because we need to have something else to go to. So we have a lot still to do. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below and I'll knock them out. You guys are awesome. This channel would not be a thing without you. I would have 0 views, 0 subscribers. You guys are the ones that are hunting, scratching, clawing all the way through the bottom pages 10, 15, 20 to find these videos. So I want to tell you guys thank you. It is very, very, very humbling. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.